Hi guys, today in this video I'm going to tell you how you can open a bank account in Argentina. So you just have to follow these steps and you'll be good to go. So the first thing that you need to do is you have to open your web browser, and here you have to type commercial banks in Argentina, and Google will give you a list of banks. So I'll select the first one from here, and then I'll paste it here. I'll open the link, and once you reach the home page, you have to go down here to the bottom, and you have to go here to personal banking. Once when you're here, you have to go down and click open a bank account, and when you reach here, you have to come down and click on myself, and then it will tell you to download the app. And once when you download the app, you have to do these things which they have told you. Here it is. You have to download the app first of all, and then you have to submit your proof of identity. It's the identification card that you have in Argentina. So you have to take a picture of it, and you have to scan it, and then you have to send it. And then you have to take a picture of yourself in a light environment with everything visible. And it should be bright, not blur, and a picture of your face would be enough. And then they're going to ask you some basic questions regarding your income. How often would you recharge your bank account or put capital in it? Simple questions like that. And then once when you send the information, you're good to go. So once when you have sent the application, then you have to wait for a couple of hours, 4 hours. And after 4 hours, they are going to approve your application, and then you have to upload the proof of your residence. They're going to ask where you live. You have to send them your address and other proof of residence, and then you're good to go. So it's very easy. It's not complicated at all. With no rocket science involved, you can easily create an account in an Argentinian bank. So that was it for today. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Thank you.